We'll start with question 1. So we have y equals to minus mod x plus 2. So the critical point will be x plus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2. So we'll have case 1, x less than minus 2. It will come out to a negative, which is y equals to x plus 2. Case 2, x bigger than equals to minus 2. It is y equals to minus x minus 2. Now this is the time for graph. So we'll draw the curve like this. So it is saying that x equals to less than minus 2. So there is 1 point minus 2, there is 1.2. X is less than minus 2. So minus 2 is the only critical point. So y equals to x plus 2. So x equals to minus 2 is 0, and this will go like this somewhere. And when x is bigger than minus 2, the slope is negative. It will go somewhere like this. This is minus 2 comma 0, and when x is 0, it is 0 comma minus 2. So this is the graph. We'll move to next question, question number 2. Question 2, we will find the critical point, which is what? Mod x minus 1 equals to 0. It will be x equals to 1. We'll take case 1, x less than 1. It is what? It will come out to a negative, which is mod minus x plus 1 minus 2, which is x plus 1. And we will have one case for this also. The critical point for this equals to 0 is x equals to minus 1. So we have case inside it, which is x less than minus 1, which is y equals to minus x minus 1. And case 2, x bigger than equals to minus 1, less than 1. It will be positive. So y equals to x plus 1. Now from here we will move to case 2. The critical point was it is x bigger than equals to 1. So we will be having y equals to mod x minus 1 plus 2. It is minus 2, okay, minus 2, which is mod x minus 3. So we will have again one critical point here. It will fall into into case 1 when x is bigger than equals to 1, less than 3. It will come out to y equals to minus x plus 3. And case 2, y bigger than equals to 3. It is y equals to x plus 3. Y equals to x minus 3. So now this is the time to plot on the number line. So we'll have a straight line. We have two critical points, x1, x1, x minus 1, x3. This is coordinate axis. The points are minus 1. This is a critical point. 1, is the critical point and 3 is the critical point. Now, when x is bigger than equal to 3, this is x bigger than equal to 3. This is not y, this is x. That is x minus 3. So this is a graph going like this. X less than 3 bigger than equal to 1. The graph is this way. And when x is between between minus 1 to 1, we have x plus 1. This is this way. And when x is less than minus 1, it is like this. This is 0, comma 2. This is the curve. We'll move to question number 3. Question number 3. We have y equals to mod x plus 2 plus mod x minus 3. We have two critical points. X is minus 2 and 3. So we will have some cases when case 1, x less than minus 2. All will come out to a negative, which is minus of 2x plus 1. Case 2, x bigger than equals to minus 2, less than 3. One will come out to a positive, first one will come out to a positive, second will come out to a negative, which is 5. Case 3, x bigger than equals to 3. All will come out to a positive, which is 2x minus 1. This is the curve. So we have one point at minus 2. One critical point is minus 2 and one critical point is 3. So when x is bigger than 3, it is going like this. When x is less than minus 2, it is going like this. When x is between minus 2 to 2, minus 2 to 3, it is 5. So this is minus 2, this is 3, and this is 0, comma 5. We move to point 4. Question number 4. This is very small question. We have mod y equals to minus x minus 1. So when y is less than 0, it will come out to a minus y, which is y equals to x plus 1. Y is bigger than equals to 0. Y will come out to a minus x minus 1. This is the time to plot this. So the critical point is what? Y less than 0 and y bigger than equals to 0. Y is less than 0, we will have x equals to y minus 1. So can we follow this graph? X is equals to y minus 1 and y is less than 0. So at 0 it is minus 1. So this graph is 0 at x plus 1 is 0 at minus 1, okay? And x minus 1 is also 0 at minus 1. So when y is bigger than 0, it is minus x minus 1. So minus slope is this thing. And when it is less than 0, we have positive slope which is like this. So this is the equation for this line. And this point is 1 comma 0.